Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. If you don't know, Apple has released iOS 14 public beta version and now it's available on their website to download and install it on your device if you want. My name is Adnan and today I will show you how you can install iOS public beta version to your iPhone. iOS 14 beta is supported on iPhone 6s and above models, so if you have one of these devices you can enjoy iOS 14 now. Before we move to the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more informative videos like this. Right now I have the latest iOS available, which is 13.6, which we will be upgrading to iOS 14. Before starting the process, I highly recommend to take a backup of your device on iCloud or iTunes. For iCloud, you can simply go to settings and then tap on your name, then iCloud, and then scroll down to iCloud backup. Switch it on and click on backup now. And if you want to take a backup to iTunes, I will mention the link above and in the description of the video as well. Now after you are all set, open Safari browser and browse beta.apple.com. And you will land on this Apple Beta Software Program page. Make sure to sign in from the drop-down menu. Then click on Enroll Your Device option. Now scroll down to this Download Profile option. Click Allow and the profile will be downloaded. Now in settings below your name, you will see this profile downloaded option. Select it to install the profile. When the profile is installed, now go to Software Update and you will see iOS 14 Public Beta Update. Hit download and install. Now it may take few hours depending on your internet connection. After downloading the software, phone will start installing it. Stay calm and let the process complete. When the installation is complete, it will ask you for a passcode and then couple of more options. And now our device is successfully updated to iOS 14. Please keep in mind that it is a beta version, so it may have some bugs. So if you find any bugs or something, make sure to submit your comments to the feedback app. You can simply search the app and open it and put your feedback. That's it guys, I hope this video helps you in the process. Stay happy and I will see you in the next video. Peace.